I want to emphasize the importance of listening to the Dharma teachings for every Buddhist. The sutra states, "From hearing we know all the dharmas. From hearing we refrain from evil deeds. From hearing we cease acts of no value. From hearing we attain nirvana." By listening to the teachings, we can discern what the authentic Dharma is and what it is not, as well as understand both mundane and transcendent knowledge. After studying the teachings of many sutras and shastras, we learn what to pursue and what to avoid, allowing us to refrain from misdeeds. Hearing Dharma teachings can prevent us from meaningless idling. We idle externally or internally. Through hearing the Dharma, we come to understand the temporary and ultimate benefits of the true Dharma and the harms of non-Dharma. Thus, we should cultivate the habit of reading more Buddhist scriptures and teachings, recharging ourselves daily through listening